Jacob?
Also
Happy ka
buy
na. Titignan niyo. What is this? What do you want?
Each sip from your lips, your kissing me dizzy. I fight for composure.
Yeah. Oo nga.
What fun would that be?
Oh, give it to mommy. What are you gonna say? What's up, YouTube? We are back. And yeah, matagal kaming hindi nakapag-vlog dahil siyempre may mga importanteng mga bagay na ginawa. But anyways, we're back and nandito na yung mga kasamahan ko.
Hello!
Si Jacob Boy, si Bryce Tulog, at si Mommy Bear.
Not Bryce, it's
So, ngayon is Sunday, tapos lang naman mag-church. Pupunta kami sa mall, kukumpletuhin lang namin lahat ng mga gift namin. And then after that, I think sabi ni Jacob, gusto pumunta kumain sa Buffet Square. So, gagawin namin, and then that's the activity for today. Ano yun, Jacob?
Bryce is awake now.
Guys, is awake now? Okay, show, where's Brycey?
He's looking at the door.
Brycey!
And it's not Bryce, it's Bilog.
Bilog. Hi, Brycey!
Bilog.
So, yeah. Yan ang gagawin namin ngayon today. Sobrang lamig ngayon. Minus 30. Negative 30 ang panahon ngayon. So, medyo hirap-hirap. Lalo pag may bata, mahirap. Okay, so tara, let's go. Okay, let's go. Gutom na ang mga bata. Punta na tayong kumain. Makanta yung mga nasa likod ko. Ayo. Kasi baka walang traffic sa oh, yeah. Gloria. Ayan na, winter na, marami na mga snow. Mas
Joy to the world, the Lord.
has come.
Let earth receive their King. Let every and heaven and nature sing.
Hey, we're here. Daming tao kasi Sunday.
Look at his truck color. It's cute.
I know, it's nice color though.
Is it mustard?
Daming tao. But gutom na kami, so lahat na lang kami talaga ng parking dyan. We'll see. Yay! Dito na kami. Ang hirap maghanap ng parking. Si Bryce. Let's go, Jacob. Sinong happy ngayon? Sinong happy ngayon?
This one.
Ha?
This one.
Sinong happy? Jacob?
Also
Happy
Why
ka?
are we celebrating, Jacob? Christmas
Ha?
concert. Christmas concert.
Come on. Come on, in a hurry. Okay, let's go. What do you want to eat? Sushi? Huh? You want sushi first? Here's the plate. Here. Okay, what do you want? Stay here. What else you want? Hmm? What is this? Which one you want? Which one? That one? Okay. Oh, what else? Yeah. There's a sushi right there. If you want? Just hold your plate. Don't go. Oh, you want sushi later? Ate.
Ngayon nakaitim eh, magpasalubong tayo.
Let's go.
Bilis mo naman.
Babalik kami, syempre. Ito yung kakainin namin ngayon. Si Jacob. Anong kinakain mo, Jacob? Ha? Happy ka na, Jacob? Si Bryce. No, si Bryce. Ayan.
Happy na siya.
Ha?
Happy na. Makain na.
Sino? Bicey? Jacob, oh, grabe. Dahan-dahan lang, Jacob. Too fast. Yan ang mga kinuha ni Ma'am.
Ang dami ko kang
Ano kinuha? Oh, soup. Yep.
Yes.
Pati yung tinidor. Ha? Dami, I got you this, oh. Bakit hindi mo nakita? Ribs.
Nakakuha na ako. But I like it. Lagi may chicken po lang.
Oh.
And plus, that's so big.
It's a little bit big. It's a little bit big.
Pizza. There's a lot of sushi there. You didn't see? Different kinds.
Huh? Right? My tummy is gonna explode, Jacob. My tummy is gonna explode.
Are you gonna still eat?
Yeah.
There's more there. There's some ice cream too.
Oh, wow. been eating?
Kan.
How big is this cookie though?
Huh?
How big is this cookie?
Big.
The size of one.
Huh? Almost done. Up.
Round 2.
Guys, it's round.
Oh, I want to try this. I want to try this. Yep. Prutas. Kuha tayo ng prutas. Cantaloupe. Orange.
There's pineapple.
That one.
What, this one? That one's kind of...
Salad. That's it. May prutas akong dinala. Jacob, this is your favorite. This is the custard one.
Rice.
Ha?
Rice.
Eh, price nga yun. Ayan. Okay, Bryce tea.
Madali din siya. Gusto niya din, round 3 din.
And I want to try this one, Jacob.
That. Oh, iba. I didn't see that. You said the cost.
It's milk na.
Doesn't taste good?
Oh, masarap pala. Kahuli. Huh?
Put it down.
Like it?
Yeah.
Ano?
Put it down.
Mustard.
This is the one I know. Yeah, me too.
Jacob, look at the sushi, Jacob. And the sushi, Jacob boy.
I have more avocado on top.
Yeah?
Good.
Mmm. Yeah, Jake.
Siyempre, talagang ano.
Sarap ng cantaloupe.
Kanya ba yan? Sabi ko mamakantagod. Wala kasi park yun sa park. Hindi naman sa park.
Oh.
They finished it. What the?
Ayaw niya.
like the orange. Give it to him.
Ba yan?
Nainis na.
Grabe ka, Bryce.
Hide it under the blanket.
Wow, ang daming tao. Busog na busog kami. Jacob craving, satisfied, wish granted. Kasi daw gusto niya ng buffet. So, what are you gonna say, Jacob?
Wait, ano?
Ano sasabihin mo?
Wait.
Ha?
Wait, rice.
That was yummy.
Ha?
That was the best yes buffet.
Yeah.
That was the best yes buffet?
Yeah.
Ano na?
Pwede ko to pang work. Mura na to. Para sa Sorel.
Kaya nga.
80.
Alam mo na, nandun na sa
Sige
kanya.
na, teka na. Nakakaya, hintay niya tayo.
Hindi, just tatanong mo lang daw, punta ka lang daw sa cashier, tapos ano. Jacob boy.
Like this. It's nice guys, diba? Tingnan mo. Tingnan
Alin?
nyo guys. Maganda, diba? Maganda yung brand waterproof. See?
Maganda, tsura niya. Ang leggings, ang pantalon.
Pang work ko pa pang.
Oh.
Saan tayo punta? Wala ka nang bibilan pala.
Can you
ng
check
buffet.
because I'm jealous about your puffer.
Okay, let's go.
Let me see.
Sige. Para partner tayo kung sakali. Kung may magustuhan.
Puffer. Kasi nakikita ko yung mga ano.
I can't wait to run. Come in.
Men,
Okay, bye.
pwede ba nga ito ang building ko? ito na lang building ko. What are you doing, Jacob? What are you... Hindi go trip, mami. Eh, may ganito kasi siya, oh. Ayoko yung gusto ko yung... Panlalaki din ba yan? Ayun. Ay, may ano din sila? Best? Oh, I like this one, mommy. This is even better, mommy. Oh? Yeah. Large too, eh, oh. Ayan mo nga. Ano?
What's that?
Kobe.
Oh, it's Gobi.
Pero 270.
Di ba may ganyan ka?
Wala, ito lang yung ganito ko. Gray na, ayoko yan ng gray.
Which
Black
one do you
wala pa.
have? You have the blue?
Ito ang gusto ko.
Sea green.
Tapos ito pa. Pilaan sa US, pila sa US.
Why?
Tapos available dito. 295.
You have that same, you have that in red before.
Yeah. Look, oh. My God. You know what? Like I said, I told myself, I'm not buying shoes anymore.
Is that for real, Jacob?
I never heard him say that.
I know. Me too. I never heard him say that. I think he's gonna buy more, right?
It's true.
It's true.
Sa Lego.
He asked me if he should buy the suit.
Yeah?
A suit that he liked.
Oh, okay.
What are you whispering, Jacob? What? Huh? What are you whispering,
He's spilling the beans.
Furious, Jacob. Fast and the Furious. Come here, Jacob. Yeah, for Timothy. For Gray. Find something a robot like this. See, like this. See? How many is this, Jacob?
How many characters?
That's too small. The box is small. Oh, what about this? Oh?
It's only 2 though.
Huh?
It's only 2.
This one is good? It says $12.99.
Maybe that's good.
Go hold it and then ask mommy about it. Yo, mommy's here. Yeah, $12.99.
So that's 13.
Ha?
It's $13.
Meron din dong Spider-Man.
Okay, Spider-Man, mas maganda. Yeah, pwede na. The 17. Hindi, 17. 18.
Ano?
Pwede na yun.
Mga 5.
Tinitignan yung sapatos ni Brycey.
Nagigising.
Daming nakasale. Brycey. Look, Brycey. Bryce. You got a Jordan shoes, Bryce? Yeah, Jordan shoes.
First, you want to try to fit this boat?
Now, Jacob, he has a better shoes than
Jacob,
me.
look! Are you happy for me? Oh, masaya na si Jacob. First, you want to walk? Oh, hindi siya makapaniwala. Hindi siya makapaniwala. Sabi niya, ano yan? Oh. Hindi siya makapaniwala, babe.
Hindi siya. Wow, nice shoes.
Hindi siya makapaniwala.
Oh, give it to mommy. What are you gonna say? Tell mommy to wrap it, right?
Okay, wrap it. Okay, put it in my Canadian tire bag. Thank you, Kuya, for buying your brother.
Wow.
You're so generous.
Jacob boy. Nick. Ayun na.
Tatabi, ayusin mo. Hindi ko alam kung inanin sa likod eh.
Anong likod?
Ito, yung nakakaupo siya.
Ano bang gagawin?
Ganyan, gusto niya nakaupo eh.
Yeah, sagad na yan eh.
Yan na yan?
Oo.
Itaas mo na to.
Yeah, ganyan lang. Sige, baba mo lang. Yan, lock.
Hindi ko alam na nagaganyan. Okay, let's go.
Yes, Jacob boy. Happy na. Ang daming tao kanina. Bigla na nawala ko.
Kaya nga, we always bring the crowd.
Okay. Okay, so that's it. Ating tapos na kami. Pagod na. Pati si Bryce pagod na rin. So let's go. And yung OGG, hindi mo tinanong yung ano, yung OGG doon?
Where's my jacket?
Something.
Yan, tanong natin dito sa ano. Makarampot na design. Ito yung Christmas tree. Okay. Let's go. Uwi na kami. I think pagod na kasi meron pang party tong dalawa. Pahinga muna sila bago sila pumunta sa party.
Yeah.
Bibili daw si Jacob ng taro. Ayan, taro kung gusto niyang anin. Sobrang lamig. Oh,
In.
grabe. Well,
The
Ba tayo
wind.
lumabas?
pauwi na kami. Tapos na. It's around 4:30.
Not for.
Eh, yeah, it's 4:30. It's 4:23. May party pang pupuntahan. Yun nga, sabi ko kanina, classmate ni Jacob. So, we're done shopping. And yeah, sobrang lamig. So, pero nakuha naman namin lahat. Nabili namin, pati si Bryce ang ano, hindi lang namin nabili si Bryce, yung mga, yung overall niyang ano, damit. Pero yung sapatos, lahat nabili na namin. So, anyways guys, hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat. And, Jacob, Don't forget to
Subscribe, like, share, hit the bell, comment down.
Thanks for watching.
Okay guys, don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Yeah, not a worry in the world, you ain't scared of nothing. You a boss kind of girl, you got all you wanted. Earned yourself a quick break in the morning. If someone tells you otherwise, give them more.